from Himawari 8 satellite, 18 May 2020 at 2 p.m. Indian time.
20th May 2020, Umpun slammed Digha, the coast of West Bengal, at 2:30 pm. That time, speed was 190 km per hour. West Bengal is the sweetest part of India, but the people of this sweet land face this kind of disaster first time. This monster storm was the equivalent of a category of 5 Atlantic hurricane on the Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale. Currently, people of Bengal are fighting with twin crises of COVID-19 and the cyclone Umpun. First, there was the lockdown due to the virus, and then this crazy storm. Bengal have never seen anything like this in last 50 years. As of Friday report, 80 deaths have been occurred, with 19 of them in Kolkata city. The farmers have been shared at catastrophic losses in aftermath of superstorm. Hooghly and Birbhum district have incurred a loss of Rs 600 crores and Rs 462 crores respectively. Around 47,000 hectares of land destroyed. It feels very bad that center had shown lack of support in this time of crisis till Tuesday. Sometimes the biggest disasters are not noticed at all. No one around to write horror stories. After the disaster of 20th May, social media erupted in anger, alleging that the center has neglected West Bengal. Social media got flooded with photos and videos distraction. But Tuesday morning, PM Narendra Modi visited Bengal and Odisha and takes aerial survey of affected areas. PM also announced 1000 crore rupees for Bengal and 500 crore for Odisha as a measure in advance. Prime Minister also tweeted that the entire nation stands in solidarity with West Bengal. No electricity and no drinking water. Thousands of trees were uprooted in the gales. Roads in Kolkata were flooded. City of Joy is now City of Sorrow. Large part of the state remained power cut off with power lines and communication towers damaged, having been plumbed by wind speed that went up to 160 km per hour. People of Bengal saw that government had taken 2 days to classify the cyclone with national disaster. History says that what Bengal had done for India's freedom. Fear is just a word for this land, because Bengal is the land of Subhash Chandra Bose and Swami Vivekananda. We know how to fight, how to be united, so Bengal can take all the challenges and can stand alone. Either government helps or not. Village farmers had already started their struggle to grow new crop to feed India. Medical staff still visiting hospital to save the life from COVID-19. Electricity staff, Indian Army, Kolkata Police, Fire Brigade, everyone working together to clean the roads and reopen the connectivity, electricity and water supply. People of Bengal still maintaining social distancing and curfew from 7 to 7. Yes, Bengal can do, because Bengal is not only the sweetest part of India. Instead, I will say Bengal is the strength of India. Report from INE, this is Indranil and you are watching Information News and Entertainment.